Hello and welcome to everyone. Today we discuss about the car Ijarah through Meezan Bank. In last video we discussed Meezan bike Ijarah and its feature, how to apply, and what is the eligibility criteria to apply. Today we will discuss about car Ijarah and what is car ijara and what is the formalities and what is the requirements for this. You should watch complete this video. Now let's go to start. First of all, Meezan car ijara. Meezan car ijara, Pakistan's first riba-free car financing scheme. So this is first riba-free car financing scheme is launched through Meezan Bank. And after this, what is the Meezan car ijara? As like what is the bike ijara, this is also what is Meezan car ijara. So we discuss what is the Meezan car ijara. Car ijara is Meezan Bank's car financing product and is Pakistan's first interest-free car financing. It is based on the Islamic financing mode of ijara, leasing. This product is ideal for individuals who want to get interest-free financing for acquiring locally manufacturing or assembled vehicles. Car ijara work through a car rental agreement under which the bank purchases the car and rent it out to the customer for a period of 1 to 5 years agreed at the time of the contract. Upon completion of the ijara period, the vehicle will be sold at token amount of gifted to the customer. About this sentence, we understand that car ijara, when a Meezan Bank purchase itself a car and give to the customer as a rental basis, and after completion of the rental basis, the Meezan Bank give you as a gift to the customer. So next is its key feature. Key feature is low upfront payment. First you have to payment is very low. Rental payment start after vehicle delivery. Quick processing time. Minimum security deposit as low as 30%. Meezan Bank will bear withholding tax on purchase of vehicle. And what is the eligibility criteria for this? Financial facility, number one, financial facility for new locally assembled and complete build-up CBU vehicles. Security deposit, advance rental minimum 50% to 15% to 50% of the cost of the vehicle. Both data and check CIB should be clear and must not have default overdue at the time of case approval. Facility is available for all Roshan digital account holders, including foreign currency account holders. No processing charges, document security, and perfection charges are be paid at actual by the applicant at the time of disbursement of the case. Monthly renter are be paid to be paid direct debit instructions from Park Rupees Roshan digital account. Vehicle would be delivered to the nominee, co-borrow, blood relative, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, or who is resident in Pakistan of applicant. Maximum age of authorized nominee or co-borrow should not be above 70 years at the time of ijara majority. In case of non-flyer, 4% advance tax on the cost of vehicle will be applicable at the time of vehicle disbursement. Minimum age limit of application should be 25 year. Maximum age applicant of maturity should not be exceeded 60 years of salaried professional. Maximum age of applicant at the time of maturity should not exceed 65 year of businessman or self-employed profession. Minimum 2-year continue employment history in content employment for salary professionals. Minimum business experience 3-year continuous involvement in current business industry for business and self-employed professionals. If the applicant had availed other financial facility, all monthly payments combined, including professional Ijarah rental, should not exceed 40% of net take-home income. Product profit rate. And what is the product profit rate? This rate is fixed. So financial tenure is this: 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year. For line based, 7.25 for 1 year, 8.25 for 3 year, 9 percent for 4 year, 9.525% for 5 year, 9.35% for 6 year, and 9.550% in 7 year. For line base customers, 16.10% 08% is for 1 year, 15% 2 year, 14 3, and all this regarding this. So this is the note of above mentioned quotation is: above mentioned rates can be revised based on deposit and park rupees rate at the time of disbursement. Variable profit rates for line based, SBB floor plus 1%. Currently SBB floor is 8.7%. So non-line based customers, 1 year KIBOR plus 1.0%. And this is its notes. Above mentioned profit rate are without takaful and tracker. And what is the takaful rate? EFU is an insurance. Tracker 1.99%, and EFU is also 1.99%. Accidental death coverage up to 2.5 million. Value added services was Adamji insurance. If you want to get Adamji insurance, if you want to get EFU insurance, you can avail this facility. If you want to get Adamji insurance, you can avail this facility, and that is its rate is 3.5% and 1.99%. And what they are giving: accidental death coverage up to 2.5 million. Next, health insurance plan up to 20% of vehicle, 5 lakh, whichever is less. Online medical consultancy, travel takaful plan up to USDT 50,000. And what is the required document for this? For salary percent individuals, last employment certificate including the date of joining, last 6-month credit salary, bank statement, nominee CNIC, name of employee or representative with mailing address, credit bureau, report of stay country. And what is the requirement for businessman? Valid businessman proof, last 6-month statement, bank statement verified from BASI, nominee CNIC copy, credit bureau report of stay country. In case of remittance income, last 6-month bank statement of remittance would be required. RDA customer application can apply on this website, or this is the form you can apply for this car. And who is eligible for car Ijarah? Salary percent. For salary percent payment, permanent employee, it should be permanent employee, 3 month in current job with a minimum 2-year continuous employment history. Contractual employee, 6 month in current job with a minimum 3-year continuous employment history. Net take home income in express of 2 times the monthly rental exclusive of takaful. Spouse verification income clubbed to a extent of 50%. In case of other loan, all monthly payment including Ijarah rental combined not to exceed 40% of net take home income. Both data check and CIB should be clear and must not have current default overdue at the time of case approval. And similar as a businessman point, minimum experience is 2 years, position, property, partner, or any other. So you will have to prove for that. Net take income as per salary percent, Spouse verification income is also a 50% like salary percent, and these options are as salary percent. So residual value of Ijara when you apply for a new car. In a regular Ijara model, the customer does not have a pay and money to the bank for acquiring the car upon completion of the Ijara period. In the residual value Ijara model, the monthly rental are significantly lower than the regular Ijara model because here the customer agreed to pay a certain sum to the bank for acquiring the car upon completion of the Ijara period. The customer also has the option that instead of paying the bank and acquiring the car upon completion of Ijara period, he can simply return the car to the bank. This model enables the customer to take a car on a significantly reduced rental. Customer can also, depending on the monthly rental payment ability, get a much higher value car than he can under the regular Ijara model. So special offer for all new locally assembled and non-commercial vehicles. And what is vehicle for residual value Ijara, all new locally assembled. Period of facility is for 5 year. Advance rental is 30% minimum to 50% maximum, and residual value is 1 year for 60 year, 2 year for 60 year, and it's up to 7 year is for 30%. Upfront value is 2500 plus feet, and documentation charges is as actual. Rental frequency, monthly rental payment through post dated checks or debit instructions. Overall auto financing limit available 1% from all banks DFI, and aggregate shall not exceed Rs 3 million at any point of time. 50% security deposit will RV value up to 7 year, 6 years 35% RV, and 7 year 30% RV will be applicable to the local car manufacturer or locally assembled vehicle up to 100 cc 1000 cc engine capacity. So this is the use when you buy a car. You can buy a new car or you can buy a used car. You can avail all the facilities from Meezan Bank. And how you can get a car through Ijara? To apply a Meezan Bank car, fill out the customer application and deposit it to the bank. So after approving, you will get a car easily. Required document is application form duly signed and signed by the applicant, copy of the recent payslip or certificate showing for salary individuals, business proof should be given to the bank, copy of last 6 month bank statement, one recent photograph, specimen signature, and perfectly on bank's prescribed description. So that is all the information about the car, and you can avail easily if you are eligible for the Meezan car Ijara. In next video we will discuss what is how we calculate the car model rent and all its total price, and what is the rent monthly rent for this for cars for different cars. We will discuss in next video. So please watch our videos and like this and comment this and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.